If you want to connect your OPPO Reno 15 Pro with your PC with OPPO Connect, then first of all we're gonna go to settings. Now over here in settings you should be able to find the device connect, so we're gonna go over here. Then we have the PC options, we're gonna go here, we need to grant all the necessary permissions. There we go. And it is actually recommended to use an OPPO account. As you can see over here, we have this prompt that we can sign in to a OPPO account to automatically connect and also have more features. But it is not really necessary to do so. If you want to, you don't have to use an OPPO account. It is recommended, like I said, because you can automatically just connect, and it is just much easier and it saves some time. But still, if you don't want to, you will be able to scan a QR code on your computer. So what you want to do is you want to go to connect.oppo.com on your computer, and then over here you can download the app, the OPPO Connect for Windows and for macOS. And then once you install and open OPPO Connect, it looks like this. You can sign into the OPPO account in case you decide to use the account. And if you decide to not use an account, you can choose to connect manually over here, and then you will generate this QR code over here. So you should be able to scan that QR code. Now in order to scan the QR code, over here we have this QR code scanner in the upper right corner, so you can scan it in order to connect without the account. On the other hand, if you want to connect without the QR code, with the help of OPPO account, then you might be able to automatically just connect once you log in. Or you might need to go to add new device, and you might be able to find your computer over here. I can actually find my computer in this place, so I can just use that as well. And then on the computer, I just have to confirm that I want to connect. So as you can see, there are a couple of different ways to connect on OPPO Connect. And yeah, so you can choose whichever suits you the best. So once we are connected, we should be able to, for example, find the phone over here in the app. We can go to files in order to locate everything that we have in here. So this can be photos, videos, documents, audio files, and so on and so forth. And then here on the right side, you can, for example, import files, you can open files, save them on your PC, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, we can easily transfer files from computer to our phone or the other way around. Also, we have the screencast option, so you can easily share the screen on your computer, and there is also the remote control option, which you can use if you want to control your PC on your OPPO Reno 15 Pro. So that is pretty much it. And if you need to, you can of course disconnect the phone, or you can click on these three dots in order to delete the device completely. Or if you want to add more devices, then of course we can do so as well. So that's pretty much it. Also in the multi-screen connect, we can also find the content sync, which you might want to manage in case it is annoying, and some other stuff as well. Leave a like and subscribe.